What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we have this EarFun Air Pro 4 Ultra ANC earbuds, and as usual we are gonna go through a detailed review of this EarFun Air Pro 4. But before we start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. The design is fairly standard and doesn't offer anything distinctive. The ear tips, while not overly stiff, aren't as smooth or soft as other brands, making it difficult to get a tight seal. This can lead to mild fatigue, especially during long listening sessions. Although the lightweight build helps reduce some discomfort, pressure can still build up over extended use. Overall, the comfort level falls short of what's expected from premium earbuds. The QuietSmart 3.0 noise reduction claims up to 50 decibel, but it doesn't meet expectations. In cafes or restaurants, ambient noise easily leaks through, even at higher ANC settings. EarFun Air Pro 4 earbuds struggle to create a truly immersive experience, often letting distracting sounds disrupt listening sessions. While the transparency mode provides a natural pass-through effect and wind noise cancellation performs well, these positives are overshadowed by poor overall noise cancelling performance. The ANC feels more like a marketing claim than a functional feature, failing to deliver the level of isolation expected from a high-end product. Equipped with 10mm composite dynamic drivers and the Qualcomm QCC3091 chipset, EarFun Air Pro 4 promises impressive audio. However, the bass lacks depth and the mids often blend with other frequencies, which diminishes the expected warmth and richness. Even with high-res audio and Snapdragon sound certifications, the sound falls short of premium standards. The performance only becomes comparable to other high-end models when LDAC is enabled, which brings out more clarity and detail. Without LDAC, the earbuds don't actually offer any good sound quality, leaving the audio experience less satisfying than expected. I have enjoyed the Earfun Free Pro 2 for years and still do, but the new EarFun Air Pro 4 left me feeling genuinely let down. The advertised 11-hour playback time is misleading with LDAC enabled, as battery life drops to about 3.85 hours, around 35% of the claim. The quick charge feature is also underwhelming, providing only about 30 minutes of playback from a 10-minute charge, far from the promised 2-hour boost. Well, I'm talking about LDAC enabled, because this set of earbuds are only comparable to any other earbuds with its price segment when LDAC is enabled. Without LDAC, using this set of EarFun Air 4 Pro is waste of money, waste of time. Well, while the charging case is supposed to extend the total playtime to 52 hours, actual usage time doesn't meet these expectations. Yeah, I have tried to test the battery life by disabling LDAC. I have used aptX lossless, and even using the aptX lossless codec, I didn't manage to get more than 35 hours of total battery life. The capacitive touch controls are inconsistent. Sometimes they register taps, while other times they miss, making on-the-go adjustments frustrating. The companion app offers a 10-band equalizer with 29 presets, plus features like dual connection and low latency mode, but these software options don't compensate for the underwhelming hardware performance. Also, the equalizer adjustments offer only minimal improvements. and the touch controls lack the responsiveness expected from premium earbuds. This combination of limited customization and unreliable controls holds back the overall listening experience, making it hard to fully enjoy what the earbuds have to offer. Well, that's all about this EarFun Air Pro 4. So, what do you think? Personally, I'm not that satisfied. And considering the price, well, I think there are a lot other options which performs better than this EarFun Air Pro 4. Well, I'd like to know what do you think about this set of earbuds. Please don't forget to comment in the comment section, and please let me know your thoughts and ideas about this set of earbuds. If you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.